play yoga, go tennis, or make swimming. These are some very common mistakes in English. Today I'll show you a simple rule for play, do, and go that you'll never forget. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start with play. We use play with competitive sports and ball games, sports where you play against someone or with a ball. So if it has a ball or a competitor, you use play. We use go with activities that end in ing. For example, swimming, running, cycling, or hiking. If it has ing, use go. Finally, let's look at do. We use do with individual activities and martial arts. Things you do alone, without a ball, and without a competitor, use do. Okay everyone, good job. Save this video so you never forget. If it was helpful, remember to subscribe for more clear British English lessons. See you soon. Bye bye.